up, Shane Money Gang? It's me, Shayla, and I'm gonna show you how to get beach waves tutorial. So, my hair is currently straight right now. It's already wavy because, like I just washed it. And a couple of months ago, I got a permanent wave. So, I'm gonna show you how to get waves in your hair. You see these waves? These are already in my hair because I just washed it. Yeah, it smells really good. You can slow-mo this if I wanted to, but I'm not because I'm cheap and I don't know how to do it. So either this works both ways, the wave and curls. I'm going to show you this way. So what I use is this Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair. No way, this is not a wig, this is my real hair. But anyway, for natural hair, come back curl, next day curl, revitalizer. This is good, and it lies to you a little bit because, it's not next day. But if your hair, is starting to curl, I actually got this permanent wave yesterday and I washed it. Permanent wave yesterday and I washed it today. Doesn't really, come back at you the way I want it to. But if your hair's straightened, I advise you not to use this. This is like water, it's liquid, and I advise you not to use it. If you have your hair straightened, you should, use something like this for oil sheen conditioning spray. The perfect finish treatment for natural luster and sheen. Recommended by